So Dad, half up the hill, going up. A bit. This is the mule. Sheep beware. There's Adam behind. It's cattle grid next. Slow down for the cattle grid. Yeah, I've got it. This is good fun, okay? You gotta do it sometime, whoever's watching this. There's a patrol. I don't know if you can see it, there's a patrol of sheep up here. I'm stopping at! That for me was fun.
Yeah, not too bad. Let's go right to the top.
Should we look down there? That's what we got so far. No offence. Can we leave it here? Because the top's not that steep and it's opening and shutting gates again.
Yeah, sure.
That I should have done down there. But I'll do it. Fuck me. But I haven't got any brakes. This is fucking carnage, this is. Come on! If I put that brake
I'll
on...
behind you and I'll follow you with the camera.
If I've got... Hey, wait a minute. How good would you be at judging distances?
Why?
Because there's a bar on the bottom of that. And there's a bar there. Oh, no, sorry, there's not